that's what you need. And this is what you need, along with this, to remove a brand spanking new dashboard speakers. Now, I already took this apart because I'm always curious. Pop this off, right? And you can do it without taking this guy off. That's awesome. I mean, that's great. You pull it out, right? These little guys just sit in the dash, those little squares right there. Now, I took these two out, and here's what I found. I found something that I have no idea what it is. Wires are 4 thick wires going into what is considered a tweeter. Now, I'm assuming these are ins and outs. I haven't touched one of these yet for audio, but why so thick? Usually they're junked. So we're going to take the door speaker off next and see what that's all about. And I'm betting you that they are ins and outs. Or maybe the radio is controlling everything. But that's how you take off the front dashboard tweeter speaker in a 24 Rav4. Very simple to put it back. I'll see if there's a replacement just yet. Probably not. It's still brand new. Well, at the time. This is a 24. And we're going to put these guys back and say sayonara with like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.